Just wanted to show you all what much fun I'm having in Tennessee. Got a really big tornado warning going on. Gotta do this stuff like once a week. And we're all gonna die. Yep. Just thought I'd say my goodbyes. Alright, I'm going inside now. More rain. Won't see any tornadoes yet. Hi, Puffy. It's getting windy.
Mom wants me to put both the cats in this.
What your mom says?
Well, that's too small. Well, actually,
Fucking hate it.
bigger than it looks.
Yeah, well.
Rainy ass storm. You recording it?
Yeah, I don't see any funnel clouds yet, so I think we're good. Just a lot of rain and storm and gonna flood, but oh well. I always wanted to go swimming. Hi, birdie bird. Are we going to die? Are we going to die? Yeah, we're going to die. I don't busy bird. Bye-bye, birdie. Swim, turtle, swim! Swim for your life.
Let me see the thing.
This?
My iPod. Leave my iPod alone, Chuckles.